Have an RWD file from a digital book collection? This is a Microsoft Reader eBook, a format from Microsoft's early attempt at digital reading that predates modern eBook platforms. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access these legacy digital books. Spoiler alert. This isn't magic, it's the result of knowing which single sophisticated RWD file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. RWD files are eBook files associated with Microsoft Reader containing digital book content formatted for Microsoft's discontinued eBook reading platform. They store formatted text, chapter structure, bookmarks, annotations, and typographic settings optimized for on-screen reading with ClearType text rendering. Microsoft Reader RWD files use a proprietary format based on a lit file technology storing compressed HTML-derived content with embedded fonts, image assets, table of contents, navigation, and DRM license data for the Microsoft Reader application platform. Windows registers the RWD file as an opener for Microsoft Reader developed by Microsoft Corporation. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows provides only a basic look, so proper reading relies on a fully featured eBook reader. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the RWD file and click Open with. Test Microsoft Reader first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. When your RWD file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the RWD file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, attempting to open. Microsoft Reader has been discontinued, but the LIT RWD format can be read by Calibre, the free eBook management application. Open Calibre and use eBooks to import the RWD file. Calibre's built-in LIT support may successfully parse the file content for viewing and conversion. Next, converting to modern formats. In Calibre, select the imported RWD book and click Convert Books. Choose EPUB or MOBI as the output format. Configure conversion settings including metadata, cover image, and formatting options. The converted ebook works with any modern ebook reader including Kindle Kobo and Apple Books. Finally, alternative reading options. If Calibre cannot read the RWD file, try locating a copy of Microsoft Reader for legacy Windows systems. Run it in a Windows XP virtual machine for compatibility. As a last resort, search for the same book title on modern ebook platforms where it may be available in current formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.